What are you doing? You're gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get in trouble over there. Hey. No, no. No, no. All that gonna fall on you. You better quit messing. Troublemaker. Now you're stuck like Chuck. You got one leg in, one leg out. Come here. Come here. Come here before you fall down. Hey. Doodle box, come here. Let's see how you get out of this one. Better be standing by in case of emergencies. Here. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. You're okay. Come on. Come on. Crawl on out. You got another freckle, or was that poop? Might be poop. Hey. 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 Did you look at me? Bore a hole. Uh-oh. You almost let go. You almost let go. Bore a hole. Bore a hole. Where am I gonna stick it? I think I'm gonna stick it right here.